And the journey continues. I'm looking for a place to sit down. I've got quite a few pictures today. Lots of bird action down here, mostly crows. It is a nice day. And welcome everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the new viewers. If you like nature and birds and animals, this is the channel for you. Please subscribe and follow. This is really nice for me to get out like this again, and I'm happy to have you join me. Sorry, it's been a very tiring morning. I was up pretty early, but that's the show. The show must go on, and thank you for your time. Well, the bee had his lunch. I guess I should have mine. Been quite a few birds here. A lot of crows. I got a good picture of a bee. I'm happy. Pollinating. He had his lunch. I guess I'll have my lunch. Well, stay tuned for more. I'm only halfway through this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful country.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to
that fresh air, fun, my lungs. Okay guys, well, I got to continue on.
A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can't find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way.
Now here's something new that I just learned. This tree that I'm standing beside is a Pacific crabapple tree. Native to the Pacific, BC. And they planted it here to help with drawing the bird species. And we got a lot of little chickadees up in this tree right here.